Welcome to Troubleshooting Tesla Model 3 Camera and Navigation Issues. An overview. Experiencing camera or navigation problems in your Tesla Model 3? You're not alone. Many issues like GPS drift or camera malfunctions can be resolved with simple troubleshooting steps. This video will guide you through common fixes, from basic reboots to more advanced diagnostics. The most common issues stem from software glitches or environmental factors. The Tesla Model 3's camera system consists of 8 external cameras that work together to provide a complete 360-degree view of the vehicle's surroundings. These cameras are essential for features like autopilot, lane keeping, and collision avoidance. The navigation system relies on multiple satellite constellations, including GPS, GLONASS, and Galileo for accurate positioning. This is augmented by inertial measurement units that help maintain accuracy even when satellite signals are weak or unavailable. The autopilot computer processes all sensor data in real time. Camera problems often stem from misalignment after cleaning or impacts, or software glitches. Navigation issues typically involve GPS signal interference or outdated map data, which can be addressed through resets and updates. A system reboot is the simplest and often most effective solution for minor glitches. To perform a reboot, hold down both steering wheel buttons while pressing the brake pedal for about 10 seconds. This clears temporary bugs and can resolve issues like camera freezes or navigation errors. It's like restarting your computer. If your Tesla Model 3 cameras become misaligned after a car wash, minor impact, or environmental factors like fog, it can cause issues like false autopilot warnings or navigation inaccuracies. To recalibrate, start by accessing the service menu on your touchscreen. Tap the car icon in the bottom right corner to open the main menu. From the main menu, scroll down and select Service. Then choose Camera Calibration from the service options. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. The car may need to be positioned in a specific way, and you'll drive slowly while the system recalibrates the cameras. This recalibration process helps the car relearn its surroundings, restoring vision accuracy and reducing false autopilot warnings. Most issues are resolved through this software-based fix. For navigation problems in the Tesla Model 3, a GPS reset might be necessary. Access this option through the Service or Settings menu on your touchscreen. This clears temporary GPS glitches that can cause inaccurate positioning. Additionally, keep your maps current by connecting to Wi-Fi and checking for updates in the navigation settings. Outdated maps often lead to routing errors or wrong location data, especially in new areas. For more in-depth troubleshooting, access Tesla's Service Mode. This mode provides access to sensor health checks and diagnostic data. Accessing Service Mode requires a specific key sequence, which changes frequently. Always check current Tesla forums for the latest sequence. Use this mode with caution, as incorrect adjustments can affect vehicle performance. Here's what the Service Mode screens look like. The first shows the main options menu. The second screen displays vehicle information and diagnostic functions. In January 2025, a severe cold weather outage in Minnesota affected over 500 Model 3 owners during a blizzard. Navigation systems failed, with GPS accuracy dropping by up to 50% in temperatures below -10 degrees Celsius. Tesla resolved this with an over-the-air update that enhanced thermal sensors on the cameras, preventing ice buildup and restoring functionality. Another real-world example occurred in 2024 on California's I-5 highway. A Model 3's cameras failed to detect lane markings, causing an involuntary lane change. The issue was resolved through camera recalibration performed via the Tesla mobile app. This incident was investigated by NHTSA and closed after Tesla's software patch. These examples demonstrate the critical importance of both software updates for handling environmental challenges and proper camera alignment for reliable autopilot performance. Tesla's over-the-air update system and mobile app diagnostics enable users to resolve most issues quickly without visiting a service center. Tesla is increasingly relying on AI-integrated fixes, with FSD V12 using machine learning to correct camera distortions in real time. Experts like Sandy Munro suggest that hardware redundancies are needed alongside software solutions. While most issues are resolved via OTA updates, keeping your software current and understanding basic troubleshooting steps will keep your Model 3 running smoothly. Tesla plans end-to-end encrypted sensor data sharing for community-driven fixes by 2027, potentially halving repair times.